if you make everything too important, then you get a little more nervous. Mirchi!
You love spicy.
I love spicy.
Oh.
There's so much depth. And to cast Papon with me in this song was a dream come true, because I just genuinely feel that there's a beautiful chemistry in our voices, and it's not that much used.
हम लोग को ये सब रोल करना चाहिए था यार, बिकॉज यू नो ये क्या होता है कि बीट
ये बड़ा अच्छा स्वीट सा बंदा है ये अपना ईशान.
बट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव वी रोल्ड द कैमरा विदाउट एक्चुअली, यू नो बहुत सारी हमारी ऐसी ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड कॉन्वर्सेशंस रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. रिमेंबर, डू यू रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट टाइम वी स्पोक इन द स्टूडियो एंड देन
we crossed our
legs, but I'm not crossing my legs because I'm not going to do any gossips today.
No gossips.
You know, Shreya, on the sixth season of Bhumi, I feel so happy that you've been a part of Bhumi from the very beginning and a very integral part, and almost all the seasons. मुझे याद है बिल्कुल एक season आपने miss किया था, and हमने हमारी एक film की एक recording थी, and I walked you out. You sat in the car, and before you sat in the car, you asked me, why didn't you call me in
I
this
did.
last season of Bhumi?
Yeah.
That made me feel so happy and gave me so much purpose to continue to do Bhumi every year. Because you told me that year, why didn't you call me that year? You should call me. I said, I thought I'll give you a break. मैंने आपको ये कहा कि मुझे आपको एक ब्रेक देना था एक साल, you know. He said, no, don't give me a break. I don't want to take any breaks for Bhumi. That made me feel so happy, really.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You've given me a lot of purpose to keep doing this every year and keep pushing myself to doing a very unique song for you. Speaking of which, what did you think when you heard पहले क्यों ना मिले?
पहले क्यों ना मिले? हमने कहा ये पहले क्यों नहीं बनाया?
ओहो!
नहीं, बट इसकी सही टाइमिंग थी. पहले क्यों ना मिले came at a time when हमने भूमि में ऑलरेडी इतने तरीके के गाने गाए हैं. Because Bhumi is that project where you fuse classical, you fuse folk with your very, signature style of electronic music, and that is such a beautiful blend, and the way you project Indian music at a level which not many people can do and does.
You're very kind, but
So
thank you.
in पहले क्यों ना मिले, you said something that मैं क्या करूँ इस बारी. सब तो मतलब सब बहुत ट्राई किए हैं genres, and इस बार मैं सोच रहा हूँ let's make a beautiful romantic, emotionally very personal and beautiful song which you are known for.
Yeah.
So मैंने कहा हाँ ये अलग होगा. The fact that we have done so many, I mean, starting from Muraliya to लौटा मेरे देश, फिर लास्ट ईयर हमने जो उजान किया, फिर हमने छैला किया. छैला was pop, उजान was Bengali, लौटा मेरे was folk, Muraliya was devotional,
But electronic.
What is left?
Yeah.
What do we do this year which is different from what we have done? So Pehle Kyun Na Mile was the right fit, and what a melody. This is also the signature Salim Sulaiman melody that I wanted to sing for a very long time.
Wow, you're making me feel so happy and grateful. Honestly, you know that I'm a huge fan of Madan Mohan Sahab, and I've always followed his compositions. मेरी बड़ी तमन्ना थी कि how if I can एक मैं कतरे का कोशिश भी कर दूँ ना मदन जी के करीब आने की, just as a tribute to, for me to attempt to do a song like it would be great. And then वही सोच से गाना बनाया था. और ऐसा होता है कि कई बार लोग बिरहा का गाना होता है that you've missed the person, a boy and a girl cannot meet or something like that. But ऐसा बड़ा unique होता है when a boy and a girl are together and they say यार पहले क्यों ना मिले, इतने साल हम एक साथ हैं, काश हम और साथ होते हैं.
Yeah.
So that is a very unique feeling, I think, and
wow, good that you told me that. Yeah, the inspiration behind this composition is Madan Mohan Saab. अब आपने कहा तो मुझे फिर से याद आया वो आपने जब कहा था कि it is a tribute to him, and it is so beautifully done. At no point do I feel कि ये मदन जी करते, बट फिर भी लग रहा है कि ये मदन जी ही कर रहे होते।
Oh
इस
my
तरह का
God, that makes
एक
me.
अंतरा बनाना, इसकी जो उठान है, जो लिखा भी है इतना
श्रद्धा ने क्या
खूबसूरत,
लिखा है,
श्रद्धा
मतलब
तो
बहुत
मतलब
beautiful.
आई लव हर, यू नो हाउ मच आई लव हर. There is so much depth, and to cast Papon with me in this song was a dream come true, because I just genuinely feel that there's a beautiful chemistry in our voices, and it's not that much used. That, I mean, it's still, I feel, underrated.
I could see on stage the way you all were interacting with each other. It's a very nice warm feeling, you know.
Yeah.
आपके आप दोनों के बीच में की दोस्ती जो है वो छलक के आ रही थी इस गाने में. It was
There's
so
a
nice.
lot of beautiful moments in this song which are so, it gets you like, it tug in the heart.
Yeah,
You feel at every line, there is something that you feel.
true.
Musically we are also doing a lot of things without being on the face.
Right.
इस बार हमने सबको बहुत रखा है, but like the introduction of the esraj, the introduction of the
Yes.
sitar, and at what beautiful points they come in, and then from there how the journey of that instrument carries forward. And apart from the melody and the lyrics and Shreya and Papan, I think the star would be the choir.
That's
this time.
true. Thank you for mentioning. Yeah. Such a great the Indian choir ensemble from Chennai.
Yeah.
Wow, I heard them once and मैं बोला मेरी नियत खराब हो गया ऐसे, like we have to get them for this song because I wanted that that emotion, that epic sound, you know. और बहुत ही कलरफुल और बहुत डेप्थ लेकर आता है.
Yes.
Yeah, and you know, Shreya, you coming, all these things coming from you mean so much because आप कितने अलग-अलग टाइप के गाने गाती है. You of course you started your own label now and your devotional things. I know that you did something for Hanumanji, you did something for Mahadev.
हमने भी किया.
Of course हमने किया, बहुत devotional गाने किए, but I'm seeing that the way you are passionately doing your non-film songs, which is so amazing. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आप आपकी फिल्म के गानों को रोक कर रही हो, आप सब कुछ कर रही हो. How are you managing this? Devyan is 4 years old now.
4 years.
Like, it's incredible. You're doing so much. In between, you did a season of Indian Idol. And how are you managing your time?
It happens because I am constantly making choices. I'm at every point I just see that, do I really want to do this? And whatever I really strongly feel, whether it's musically and personally, with regards to Devyan also, I am a mom, and a 4-year-old kid really needs a lot of time
course.
from parents, and especially the mother. So I have to give him the time. At the same time, I have to continue doing what charges me up, because otherwise it's in my DNA. I cannot be without music or a constant need to do something new, something which feels correct. And for everything, there's a time. और जब भी भूमि, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब भी भूमि आया है मेरे पास, वो ऐसे वक्त पे आया जब मुझे उसकी चाह थी, कि उसकी एक गुंजाइश थी, या उसकी एक उसका वॉइड था उस वक्त, कि नहीं, I want to do something like this. And it comes exactly at that time. I think because you're a performing artist yourself,
Of course, yeah.
we have our busy
Gigs,
gig seasons as well. In that, you start prepping for it. I know कि ये preparation तो, it's not a matter of just few days or weeks. It's matter of months that I think the moment this season finishes, you'll start on the next one.
You know me very well. You know me.
Right. This process I have learnt very well from you, how you work. And I know that अब जैसे ये इनका travel खत्म होगा, ये phone आएगा. And I wait for it. Because that is the time exactly when you're like, अब थोड़ी शांति है, अब कुछ नया करते हैं, अब स्टूडियो में घुसते हैं, give it hours and hours, days and nights of creating something valuable, musically, personal, and something to add to your life. So that's why I'm saying कि हम जब कुछ भी करते हैं, चाहे मैं नॉन फिल्म अपने चैनल से कर रही हूँ, या भूमि के लिए, या मर्चेंट रिकॉर्ड से कर रही हूँ, या आई कीप कोलैबोरेटिंग विद एवरीवन एंड फिल्म्स ऑल्सो. इट्स purely for satisfying my musical needs.
Yes.
Because I feel that every song has a beauty, and if it really calls out to me, I choose to sing it, and I don't really see where it is coming, kiske liye hai, इसका क्या होने वाला है, वो बात की बात है, वो बाकी लोग देखेंगे, मुझे तो मेरा गाना गाना है. I want to sing beautiful songs, that's all.
That's so inspiring for so many singers to know that, you know, आप इतने गाने गा चुकी है, but still you are really looking for the next beautiful melody that suits your heart.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's really something, you know. This is a great sign of a very, very, very incredible artist, because the minute you feel कि यार बहुत कर लिया यार, that day is game over. Like, you know, I mean, I am buzzing to do another season again. ये season खत्म होने वाला है भूमि का.
But you
And I'm
inspire a lot to for me. Like, you're an inspiration because the kind of passion and energy that you have at all times, it's incredible. I do have my lull days, like when I'm not feeling energetic or inspired enough to do something, and that's when probably I meet you. I have a call from you, and I get charged up. पूरी बैटरी चार्ज हो जाती है.
You're very kind.
तो
मेरा
वो है
actually it's a reverse thing, you know. For me, you come to the studio ever if I talk to you,
Yeah.
आवाज सुनते ही मुझे मन होता है कि यार मैं गाना बनाऊं श्रेया के लिए. मुझे आवाज में ही बात करते करते ही ऐसा लग रहा है कि श्रेया गाना गा रही है. It's a fact. A lot of people must have told you this, you know. So many times when you talk to me, I can feel that you're singing. You have that beautiful voice that you. It is. मतलब मैं सीरियसली मैं इट्स अ ग्रेट क्वालिटी दैट यू हैव.
Thank you.
वो गाते 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 इतना गाया है आपने कि आपकी बातचीत में भी सुर लगने लग रहा है अभी. यू डोंट रियलाइज इट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स हैपनिंग.
हो गया होगा शायद. पर मैं एक चीज़ ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू पॉइंट आउट दैट यू डू नॉट सी म्यूजिक ओनली as a recording project, or it's not just about the studio or music, you know, getting great artists together or making a great musical project, but how you take it to the final completion of that, the visual aspect of it.
Yeah, it's
I
fun.
think that a lot of people don't understand, and it is such a technically skilled thing that you do. कितनी बारीकियों में आप घुसते हो, हर डिपार्टमेंट में घुसते हो, चाहे वो डायरेक्शन हो या लाइटिंग हो, या while we were shooting this song your eyes were on कि वो choir is not being taken properly, उसका लेवल बढ़ाओ, वो होना चाहिए सही, उसकी लाइटिंग. I think we should have that more at that point, the lasers coming on, Shreya and Papa on. This bariki, this detailing it's not just a skill, it is the sign of a great genius.
I'm having fun.
And
No, it's not I'm a
you
student.
don't just listen to
I'm a
music, you're
student.
seeing everything in
I'm
its
learning.
entirety.
I'm learning and having fun.
So I feel very inspired. Even I watch you. Whatever you do or say, I watch you, and I learn a lot of things.
I'm a Piscean just like you. And we are always
That's true.
we are always dreaming.
March babies.
Dreaming and seeking.
Yes.
Yeah. We also, I know that you drink a lot of water. I'm sure I've seen you. अभी shoot पे भी आपके वो bottles आ रहे थे, और फिर मैंने I was showing off that I have a Milton one, you know, because they gave me the
yeah,
sipper
it's
and all
such a
that.
nice
You don't have to. It's very easy to sip.
Hydrate.
Yeah. कितना पानी पी लेती हो आप दिन में?
Not enough for sure.
But you
जितना
still
पीना
sound
चाहिए.
amazing. Like आपकी आवाज on the microphone or even just like that, it just sounds like you drink a lot of water. But you don't drink that much?
कोशिश तो जारी है. दे दो अब ये एक ऐसा कुछ.
आ रहा है. उसके लिए एक Milton rapid fire भी करते हैं. Your nightstand will have a Milton bottle with hot water or cold water?
Hot.
Of course, you like warm water.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मुझे वो हॉट वाटर निकाल के फिर उसमें कैमोमाइल टी बाग, and then, you know, it's like that. That's
So you
my
like the
routine.
flask kind of.
Yeah, better for me.
And we have some lovely goodies from Milton.
Yay.
One song that changed your life. I know maybe which one it is, but I would like to hear it from you.
My life changed with Berry
Very
Pia,
I was going to say.
because that got me to the
Of course.
forefront, and it's such a big song.
And it's a beautiful composition. What's the most emotional moment you've had in a recording studio? I know there have been several, but one.
I usually try to not get emotionally sucked into the song's emotion. But there have been times when you have to control yourself. If you are like too overwhelmed with the story,
Melody.
the melody, what the context of the song is. So I've broken down, I've taken a minute to come back to वो बहुत रेयरली होता है. I try
बता
to
सकती हो कौन
not.
सा गाना है?
मराठी गाना गा रही थी.
वाह.
एक बहुत अच्छा गाना बना है. वो गाने का जो सिचुएशन है was about that it is मतलब शमशान है ना. अब ऐसे सिचुएशन पे गाने पहले तो बनते नहीं हैं और बहुत फिलोसफिकली डीप गाना है. और बस बट पॉइंट वाज जिस बंदे ने गाना बनाया, जिस लड़के ने गाना बनाया, ही रिसेंटली लॉस्ट हिज फादर एंड इट वाज सो फ्रेश इन हिज माइंड. But he was not breaking down, but I could feel that it must have been so tough for him to create a song on that situation, and that song had so much emotion like that one. So I felt a little, I went to the washroom, and I didn't want to make him uncomfortable or emotional, so I cracked jokes, I made everyone comfortable to not get consumed in the emotion. Sometimes very hard कि अगर आप बहुत इमोशनल हो गए तो गाना ही नहीं गा पाओगे. फिर एक डिवोशनल गाने में भी ऐसा हुआ था मुझे कि इट वाज अबाउट यशोदा और कृष्णा. तो अब मुझे तो यशोदा कृष्णा में भी अपना बेटा दिखता है.
Of course.
तो उसकी जो स्टोरी लाइन थी उसमें जब कृष्णा बड़ा हो जाता है एंड ही लीव्स, बट माँ तो उसको अपने बच्चे जैसे ही देख रही है. सो वो ऐसे कुछ मोमेंट्स हुए हैं जहाँ पे आई गेट अ लिटिल कंज्यूम्ड. इट्स मोर फ्रॉम empathy towards the person.
Of course, yeah.
And
But it's
and the
heartwarming.
melody also.
Heartwarming. Thank you for sharing. One regional language you loved singing, but found challenging. I know.
Challenging.
I know
There are
which.
too many of them. Yeah. Which one?
Malayalam.
Malayalam में तो हमेशा.
It's a tough one.
It's always tough. Always tough.
Any secret ritual before you get on stage?
I don't have rituals. I think the whole world knows. But
नहीं मतलब anything like you do, like it could be a riyaz, it could be a
no.
it could be
मुझे
a vocal
तो कुछ,
trick.
I like to not do rituals because it makes the whole moment too important. If you make everything too important, then you get a little more nervous.
Good one.
So
Just keep it easy and free.
be easy. Just be in the same flow as you were in the backstage. ऐसे ही चले जाओ stage पे.
हाँ.
Only I like 5 minutes of silence if I can get one. वो मुश्किल होता है. लास्ट मिनट तक कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. बट वो 5 मिनट की शांति थोड़ा मन को फोकस कर देता है. सो दैट्स ऑल आई नीड.
What would the title of your autobiography be, Shreya, if there was one?
ऑटोबायोग्राफी तो मतलब मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
मैं नहीं लिखने वाली.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay.
मैं नहीं लिखूंगी.
Bad question.
नो. क्या करें? दैट इज टू टफ टू कम अप. जब आएगा टाइम, अगर आया, एक तो आई कांट राइट एनी मोर.
अच्छा.
चैट जीपीटी
आपको ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबॉडी लव्स फूड. खाना और गाना एक बड़ा कमाल का सुहाना सफ़र है. And I'm bringing Suhana because Suhana is one of our partners in this, and I know the importance of क्या कैसे लोग हिंदी में भी बहुत बार मैं बोलता हूँ कि भोजन बिना भजन ना हो है. This is a Suhana खाना गाना rapid fire. मसाला भात और पोहा. Okay. What's that one spice without which you can't cook?
मिर्ची.
You love spicy.
I love spicy.
Oh.
अगर खाने में नहीं है तो साइड से ले लेती हूँ.
Last, what's your favorite dish?
It depends on the day, but my thali of comfort is bhat, rice, because I'm a bong, so
Of
it has
course.
to be, and masoor ki dal with panch foron, and aloo sheddo means like boiled potato mashed with ghee and प्याज का तड़का और मिर्ची और वो सब होता है एक. बस ये अगर प्लेट पे आ जाए तो बस आई एम सॉर्टेड.
आपका जो ये इतना प्रिसाइज है ना, इट्स लाइक अ सॉन्ग, इट्स लाइक अ सॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन, यू नो. जैसे वो अलग अलग बेस में को थोड़ा सा इसमें इतना पियानो चाहिए,
ज्यादा नहीं,
लिटरली लाइक दैट.
और थोड़ा घी ऊपर से और एक छोटा सा एक नींबू का टुकड़ा और एक मिर्ची.
कमाल है. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ ना कि खाना और गाने में कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन है.
इतना एक्साइटेड कोई भी आंसर में नहीं थी मैं.
आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू यू. Give you a nice Suhana masala hamper. This, I actually have it at my studio, a lot of these masalas. I'll tell you why it's such a cool thing is because they have these really amazing ready-made things like this, especially the sheer khurma. It's a garam pani mein you just put it and it's pretty like ready to do. And you know, like हमारे studio में इतने लोग कभी कभार आते हैं and they're hungry. So I have these really nice from Suhana. They make some great dal khichdi. I mean, they have these
Yeah.
dal khichdi ready-made
Yeah.
kappas. So there's some great stuff for you here.
Thank you.
I hope you
I will definitely use them.
enjoy.
Thank you.
Let's take a picture. Shreya, what next?
कुछ तो इतना फन के बाद व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, थोड़ा ब्रीदर तो दिया करो. व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट,
मतलब वो
इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस क्वेश्चन. या
नहीं, I mean, I know there's a lot coming. You're doing a lot of amazing things.
right now I think the only thing I am focusing on that this year I have to start doing EP or an album, which I have been saving up for a very long time. I have to start
Wow.
work. It's tough to get that time because I also like music. तो मैं बहुत easily
बह जाती
हूँ, but वो थोड़ा सा breather चाहिए so that I can start working on writing and sitting with songwriters. And I hope that you do something for me as well.
Hey, I'm a phone call away.
I know that. I
Or
can
a text,
totally.
or a text away even.
You are
Just-
actually one
Just call
signal
my,
away.
I
तो
just
मैं
call,
पहुंच जाऊंगी.
correct. You just call my name and I'll be there.
I know that.
I'll be there at your studio.
I know that.
That's such a lovely space, really. Sanctuary is one of the most beautiful musical spaces that we've experienced.
Inspired
इतना
by you
कमा-
only. You know
नहीं,
that I
बहुत
get a lot
ही-
of inspiration
नहीं,
from
नहीं,
your
it's,
space.
It's truly that tree and all that. It's so nicely done, and
हाँ,
the
कोशिश जारी है.
all the
I'm slowly building it more. When you came and you were so kind enough to do a full vlog of that.
I would like to do it again because my voice was really bad that time. You remember? I
Yeah,
came
yeah.
with.
But still you did it. It's amazing how you're.
I was really, I was so taken aback. It's so aesthetically built.
Yeah.
All the gurus and all the legends there,
That and
and the table tennis table.
table tennis is the main reason why we put that.
You inspired us because we want to now put a table tennis table.
Best.
करना है हमको, but फिर मैं सोचता हूँ
फिर
कि
तो आप
काम
करते
तो
नहीं
होगा
हो,
नहीं.
काम नहीं होगा. Maybe between takes ना, we can just do one game and then go back.
Thank you बोलने से यार मतलब एकदम आधा
तो कुछ और कुछ नया बोलते हैं. शबा खैर.